Hey guys, welcome to Alpha Bros. Today we're gonna learn something about Python. So the main thing I want to show you is how to construct a for loop using a while loop. Pretty different loops. Many people think they are not related at all, but let me show you one way in which we can construct a for loop using a while loop. So let's get started. Let's see the loop part. First we're gonna input the list A. You can put anything in A. Then we're gonna input the value k. K should be equal to 0. Then let's see the loop part. The decision box you are seeing out there, it's a while loop. It checks whether k is lesser than length of A. That is because Python follows a zero-based indexing system. If k is lesser than length of A, the yes part of the loop runs. It loads the value in the list A in the place k. Then you have your for loop part, and then the most important thing, add 1 to k so that the loop continues. When k equals 0, it means that we have reached the end of the list and we don't have any more values. So the loop terminates and the loop resolves to no and ends. So that's it. So let's look at my code. Here is my list 1 2 3 4 5, k equals 0. Well, so I'll put my body. L is some integer and L is case index. L is the value in the index k in list A. So we're gonna take another value, G equals L. Don't worry about this. About this much, it's just a factorial program. What you're gonna concentrate on is this one, and from here to here you can put anything basically you want. So I'll explain my factorial program. G equals L. So first we're gonna start by reducing L. So L equals L minus 1. L is reduced by 1. If L is greater than 0, that is until L equals 1, this part will continue. B equals G into L. G equals B, and then again this starts, and when L equals 0, the else loop, gets into action and we get print G. And as I said in the flow chart, we're gonna put k equals k plus 1. So let's see how this starts. So basically 1's factorial is 1, 2's factorial is 2, 3's factorial is 6, 4's factorial is 4 into 3 into 2, that is 24. 5's factorial is I think 120. So let's have a look. Yeah, it did right. Okay, 1 2 6 24 120. We can put any other thing. This was just an example. So guys, don't think for loop and while loop are two different alien-like loops. They are interconnected just like brothers. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to Alpha Bros. Thank you. This is the code.